Hey Ashley, Orlando with Soaring SEO. We spoke on the phone earlier today. I appreciate you taking my call and I appreciate you clicking on this video. In this video, I simply just want to show you guys three things that you guys are able to implement yourself to get you guys more customers through the door. And now you're probably asking why, right? Why would I be giving you guys a video like this? I've honestly seen a lot of business owners simply don't have the time to come in here, do the research on the internet to see how it truly impacts the growth of a business, especially in times like now. And I've seen that there's a lot of hesitation when they do try to hire somebody because they don't know who the expert is and who isn't. And I've seen that by giving a video like this, giving with tips and tricks you guys are able to implement, like I said, yourself, has resulted in a lot of these companies saying, hey, you know what, Orlando, we'd like to work with you. So actually, if by the end of this video you like what you heard, believe I have plenty of tricks up my sleeve that can really benefit your team, send me a message and we'll chat. Or if you simply just want to put these things into action and do it yourself, that is absolutely fine with me. All I ask for is a review on how I did on this video. So let's get right into it. The three things that I want to talk about is content, citation, and backlinks. Now, content will be the most important thing, and just looking at your page already, it's a great page. It has a great layout. I love the logo. Everything is nice and clean. Everything. I like the little features you guys have going on here, saying the services that you guys provide, giving a little bit more of information. Um, the average website on that first page on a Google search is going to be about 1,500 to 2,000 words. So that's what you really want to aim for when you have all this content up, and that's going to be including like pictures and videos like this. So if we come in here and we actually grab a word counter, let's see. So if we come in here and see exactly how much you have 610 words um, on your homepage. So you're a little off, but you want to aim towards that 1,500 mark. And with you guys being an HVAC company, that's not going to be very hard. All you guys is really specifying the types of different services you guys already have. I mean, you guys already have a bunch of tabs. All I would add is just general information on that homepage to get you a little bit more content in there and showing you guys exactly what you guys do. And this is going to be, like I said, including pictures and videos. So how you can see here, AirTex, second and 12, they just kind of saved at random. But so what you would want to do is when you're adding this new content and renaming those pictures is you want to add keywords or key phrases. So what a keyword or key phrase is something that you would look up on this search bar here. So for example, here I have air condition repair Lubbock, Texas, and that's getting 140 searches every single month. Um, so if we come in here and we actually try to look for it on your homepage, you're not going to see it anywhere on there. So I would just highly suggest when you're adding in that new content to add that in there a couple times. Actually, air conditioning, so it's still not in there. But you can see that, and I would just add that in there a couple times, maybe even name some of these pictures you guys have throughout your website. Name them that, and then get you guys ranked up a lot higher on this, especially with it getting 140 searches every single month. The second thing that I want to talk about is citation. With the citation, all it is the name of your company, the address, and the phone number. You're trying to get a citation or your information on as many directories as possible. And sorry about that. You're trying to get that directory as many as possible. So some examples of that would be like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Page. All of that would be some of the bigger platforms that you can go out there and get a citation on there. The third thing that we're going to go into is backlinks, where this organic search area is. Now, this will take into consideration all three. So you'll have to have a rich content based homepage, plenty of citations, and backlinks. With backlinks, the way I would think about it is like Google's a huge popularity contest. It's just trying to get as many websites and trustworthy websites aiming or giving you a link back to your homepage one way or another. Um, so that site A would act as like the link juice or the power and would give you guys the authority. Website B the authority and in Google's eyes. But keep this in mind: not all backlinks and citations are created equal. So when coming in here and grabbing backlinks and citations, you don't just necessarily want to go and grab whatever. A bad example, what you don't want to go out and grab is, say you guys do an HVAC job or maintenance for a Pizza Hut or whatever the case is, something like that, and Google's gonna see that, and it's not gonna give you the power and the authority that it would have if you would have had a backlink coming in from maybe an adjacent HVAC company in Texas, from Lubbock, maybe from Texas, Fort Worth area, whatever, or general contractors, subcontractors you guys have used in the past. Those will all be great examples and links that you want to go out and go grab instead of like a pizza place or something, because Google sees and knows that you guys aren't a restaurant or you guys don't sell pizza. Um, with backlinks, if you guys are trying to get number one on this, you want to get as many backlinks in it, and you want to look at your competition. So that's going to be the key thing, and we'll look at this thing here. This tool that I use called Ahrefs. It is a couple $100 a month, but it's a great tool to show you exactly what's really working for your website and what's not. And you don't necessarily have to grab this one. There's plenty of tools out on Google that can show you all the backlinks and the amount of websites aiming back at your competitors and the keywords that are being found on your website. So this one here is showing that it has 42 referring domains. So you have 42 websites that are linking back to you, giving you 202 backlinks, and you're getting found for 85 keywords. Now, and like I said, if you want to come in here and be number one on here, you're gonna have to do a combination of all three. If you want to be number one on this map area where you're gonna get a lot of your clicks on your website, a lot of calls is gonna be through this map area. And citations is gonna be the exact same thing as backlinks. You want to go and grab as many as what your competitors have, because obviously, like Bruce Thornton or Heart Heating, all these guys, obviously they have the right citations, and the citations that they have are good enough to rank them in that top three, so that they're going to be good enough for you. So when we come in here and look at, I chose what is it, Bruce Thornton. So I chose Bruce Thornton. So you can see here that they have 189 websites linking back to their website, giving them over 1.6 backlinks, and they're getting found for 2.3 keywords. So I know that there's a big little difference in numbers, but it's very doable. You can go out there and grab those links. You guys have 202 links. I would just highly suggest to head towards that 1,000. But I would look at your competition. So like this, and like I said, there's plenty of tools out there that would show you this. You can see the links that they have on theirs are expertise.com, yellowpage.com, a lot of the yellow page, BBB, Better Business Bureau, lifehack.org, let's see, localbest.com. So those are all websites that you go in there and grab those citation and those backlinks in order to get you guys ranked up a lot higher on Google. With that, Ashley, that kind of wraps everything up. Content again, 1,500 words to 2,000 words, very easy, very doable. With you guys being an HVAC company, I would add in this key phrase in there a couple times to the added content. Maybe renaming a couple of those pictures and videos that you guys have on there as that, so you guys can get found, especially with they getting 140 searches every single month. Citations, Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Page, Yelp, all those big platforms. Go out there and grab what your competition has, but don't stop there. Do what they have and do a little bit more, so you can really blow your competition out of the water and get you guys ranked up in this top 10, in the top three in this map area. Backlinks to popularity contest, but you don't want to get something that isn't trustworthy. You don't want to grab something that isn't um, similar to the field of work that you do. With that, Ashley, that wraps everything up. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if you guys want to do this on your own, the faster you guys start implementing all these things, the faster you're going to start seeing your rank climb. If not, if you guys want to save yourself the time and the hassle, give me a call, 719-924-7601. Look forward to speaking with you guys. Have a good one.